Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Just a short little video on Android Q. Android Q is rumored to be coming out tomorrow, September 3rd, to OnePlus devices. It is definitely rolling out to Google devices tomorrow, but we are also thinking we will see it released pretty much right away on our OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. So I just wanted to give you a little rundown. I've been on the beta here for it, and it has been running really good. No issues really. I like the new layout. You guys have seen this before, so I'm not going to go in depth and like everything that's new and just all that kind of stuff. I'm just letting you know how my reliability and stuff has been before you guys upgrade if it comes out tomorrow. And so far so good. Good battery life, not too many bugs. I'm assuming that they're going to patch up the rest of the last couple of bugs in the release tomorrow, or whenever it may come out if it doesn't come out tomorrow. But really everything has been pretty stable. Battery life's been good. Speed has been good. Performance is great. All that kind of stuff that you expect. So if we do see this update tomorrow, I do recommend that you go ahead and update. It is definitely well worth it. There are a lot of new added features in Oxygen OS. One of my favorite is the customization section in settings here. Everything is in one section, so you don't have to search around for it to customize your device. But like I said, we are expected to see Android Q roll out to the OnePlus 7 Pro tomorrow, Tuesday, September 3rd. So we will see. If it does come out, I will do some videos on it and the final release and all that kind of stuff and let you guys know what's up. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.